Drew's so starving. He wants to try. Go ahead. What do you think? Is it flavorful?
Oh, yeah.
What's it taste like?
Corn.
Corn. It does have corn in it. So we are at Mux.
Ooh.
And it is on the list of the 25 most Mexico City restaurants that you should try. It's a chef restaurant. What did you get, Drew?
I don't really know.
I got the Creole Nopales stuffed with quesillo, which is cheese. Thank you.
Don't worry. It's okay.
What kind of meat is this?
Drew got the chilate from Kayako, and it is sweet lactic with strong meat and maize flavor, creating an indescribable clash with the chipotle, a daring dish due to the contrast of its elements, a must try. And it has pork in it. It must be spicy if he's over there huffing and puffing. Is it spicy? It says chipotle on it, so. If you want to know the price, you just divide by 20. We had some guys come stop by and play us some music.
Echando muy buenos piales a orilla del alambrado, echando muy buenos piales a orilla del alambrado. Ay, Huastequita querida, qué linda es, aguardientes sus bebidas y divinas sus mujeres.
Gracias. Wow, that is so good. Drew's is so delicious. It's full of flavor. You have to get it if you come here. We are in Roma Norte, which is like the upscale neighborhood. There's a lot of expats here.
Yeah, there were some girls behind us earlier that were speaking English.
Lots of money flowing through this area. It's a little expensive for our taste, but we did want to try it.
Well, we were in the area and Amanda was like, this is like one of the best places.
It's all traditional food, so. And, like, we struggled to order things because we didn't know what they were. So what you have to do is just
Ask.
or give up and just order something and know it's going to be good. Mine's also delicious, but mine's vegetarian, so it doesn't have quite as much flavor as Drew's does. But it's still good. Still very good. I'm going to try it. This is in the American translation, in the English translation, it was pudding with candied fruits. But it's a flan. It's a flan. It's good.
Yeah.
It is the vanilla pudding with caramel and candied apples. So the total for 2 dishes
$42.
and a dessert was $42. Not bad. We are in a very fancy restaurant.
Super fancy food.
Super fancy. As it's a chef curated restaurant. So
Where they have like a story for every dish.
yes. So you definitely should come try it. It's very delicious. Also, we bought drinks as well. Not alcohol drinks, but he got a fancy water and I had a mint drink. So it was very good. We 100% recommend it. Let's see. Let me show you what it looks like. Oh, they also have a breakfast menu, which looked really good. Oh, puppy. But we were too late for breakfast, so make sure you get here by 12 if you want to eat breakfast. Here's their full menu. Oh, this is in Spanish. And the menu changes, so you can't go online and determine what you're going to eat because menu changes.